How to brand yourself for your network marketing business. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to create a killer brand that is going to help people get drawn to you, attract your tribe to you, and get more sales and more business builders because you have actually used a brand instead of being a spammy Sally. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence using videos. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, the first thing that comes with creating a brand is actually creating a ton of value for your audience. Now, what do I mean by value? So what I mean is you don't want to just be spammy Sally and post your product, join my team, and not provide any value for your audience. That's not going to work for you. The days of doing that are far over. And so when I started to create a brand for myself is when I started to have massive success in my network marketing business, and it's when I hit the top ranks in my company. So what do you want to do and how do you create a brand? I want you to think about what your passions are. I want you to write down 3 things that you are passionate about that kind of relate to your network marketing business, whether it be health and wellness, whether it be fashion, whether it be like clean living, whatever it may be. What are 3 things about you that you are really, really passionate about? And then see how you can marry those passions with your network marketing company, right? So for me, I'm really passionate about helping women have the confidence to be successful. And I'm also really good at network marketing. So my brand became, helping women with the confidence, because I'm a licensed professional counselor by trade, right? Having the confidence to be successful in network marketing and giving you guys network marketing tips. Now it all fits into my brand and I am a network marketer, right? But some of you might not want to be teaching network marketing tips and you still want to brand yourself, and you absolutely can. So let's give you some examples of how to do that. All right, so let's say you're a fitness guru and you're really into health and nutrition, right? And your network marketing company is health and nutrition. Can you provide value for your audience? Can you do a lot of challenges like a water challenge, a plank challenge, a step challenge? Can you give people some information on why they need to be cutting back on their sugar? And then you're going to sprinkle in your network marketing product, your network marketing opportunity, right? Maybe you're giving some workout tips and tricks on how to shrink your belly fat, whatever it may be. Tie in those tips and tricks into your network marketing business. Or another example would be, let's say you are into, you sell jewelry and you're really into fashion, you're really into styling. Can you teach women how to accessorize their clothing? Which necklaces go best with, what type of neckline you're wearing, when I should wear dangly earrings, when I should wear studs. Make sure you're educating your audience. And so when you do that, you end up creating a brand on who you are, and you're kind of like that go-to. You're like, oh my God, I need to figure out what, Julie is saying so that I know how to style this outfit. Right? So that's the first tip, is make sure that you're providing value. Now the second tip, and it's actually one of the things that I see happen, and it kind of goes the opposite way, is so many people are consumed with creating a brand that they forget to sell. You don't want to forget to sell. You're creating this brand so that you can actually sell and draw people to you. So how do you do that? I like to say the 80-20 rule. And in the 80-20 rule, what ends up happening is 80% of the time you are giving value to your audience, and 20% of the time you're kind of selling. Now you can do a soft sell or you can do a hard sell. What do I mean by that? So a soft sell would be, let's say you're doing a plank challenge, right? You can talk about something else, maybe your product line, that's going to help shrink belly fat to help with those planks, right? That's kind of a soft sell. A hard sell would just be like, hey, make sure you're taking this for your, your belly fat or whatever it may be. And that's more of a, a harder sell. Like, I'm getting right to the point, I'm selling. Make sure you're doing a hard and a soft sell at times. It's okay to sell and pitch your audience because you have provided so much value. They're not feeling like you are spamming them or that you're like a dirty salesman. All right, so definitely make sure you're practicing the 80-20 rule. Now, I also have a video for you that talks about attraction marketing and how to create attraction marketing posts. I'm going to link it right over here. And the free resource that I have for you that's going to help you grow your business significantly is my YouTube masterclass. When I started to build over here on YouTube, not only was I getting sales for my network marketing business, but my brand was growing immensely because of it. So I've got a free masterclass on how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. I'm gonna put it in the description below so that you can actually, join this masterclass and learn how I've been able to do it. And then my third tip for branding yourself is make sure you're showing up authentically you on social media. So many times I see people, they're afraid to create this brand and they're afraid to let their audience into who they are. And what I can tell you is part of this brand is letting people see the good, the bad, and the ugly that you have on a day-to-day basis. That's what attracts people to you. Nobody wants perfection anymore. Nobody wants to feel like, oh, I can't relate to her. She's too perfect or he's too perfect, right? The days of being an influencer without making an impact and without helping your audience are gone. And so you want to make sure that you're showing up authentically you, the good, the bad, and the ugly, but you're also providing value to your audience. All right, and my question of the day for you is, what do you want your brand to be? Put it in the comments below. I would love to hear what your brand is, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out of another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.